with me now. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. My name is Gilang.
My name is Chikolia. My name is Darcy. My name is Indi.
Please tell us a little about yourself.
My name is Gilang. My address is Cirebon District. My religion is Islam. I am a fresh graduate from Indonesia.
My name is Chikolia Putri. My address is Cirebon. This is my religion Islam. I am a Islamic religion from Indonesia. My name is Darcy. I am international. I am a graduate from Indonesia. My name is Jamalia. I live in Indobang. I am a new graduate from Indonesia.
What salary do you expect?
The salary I want is at less than 7 million per month.
The salary I want 3 million per month. I'm open in discussing salary that is in accordance with the responsibilities of this position and company standard. I hope to get a salary of 6 million.
Do you prefer to work alone or as a team, right?
I prefer working in a team because I can have access to wider resources such as knowledge, skill, and equipment.
I prefer working in a team because I can have access to wider resources such as learning, skill, and equipment. I am comfortable working alone because I can be more focused and independent in completing tasks. I prefer to work together because it can be creative and innovative.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and watching movies.
My hobby is cooking. I like reading in my spare time. My hobby is reading books.
Thank you for participation in today's interview. We will contact you if you pass to the next time.